want to show you this bonnet. As you can see, it was a little too wide for the front, and on the side, which is very common, it's too short on the side for the A coil. Now, you see this a lot in old furnaces. What we did with this, we just kept it simple. We left some metal on the bonnet and we bent it at a 90-degree angle. And we covered up the front of the coil. And on the back side, we did the same exact thing. We bent the bonnet, we left extra on there, and we bent it at a 90-degree angle to come to the end of the A coil. And that took care of the front and back. And really, that's kind of decided by where your return area is. Let me show you the side, what we did there. On the side, it was a little low, so let me get in here. It's a little too wide. So what we did is we bent it 90 degrees towards the bonnet and then 90 degrees down. And that filled up the space on the side of it. Now, I understand that, it may not be like a professional would do this a lot different, but for the do-it-yourself, this is a way to fit your existing ductwork to your A coil if you're trying to install your own furnace. Let's take a look at the back side. And if you can see here, we did the same thing. So we 90 degrees towards the A coil, then 90 degrees down. And the person that did this put a piece of tape on there to seal it up, which is okay, I guess. And I'm going to show you the return here quick. Obviously, we had to purchase this. I do know Home Depot, you can order through there. We got this from a sheet metal supplier. So, and it lined up to the existing ductwork we already had, 24 by 8. So we went 24 by 8, down into the return air vent with a side filter rack, with a 16 by 25 filter rack. And that all kind of dictated where the furnace sat and the A coil was and what you need to do to fit the bonnet onto the A coil. So don't let that bonnet intimidate you to changing your furnace. This is a very simple way to fit this on here that a do-it-yourselfer could handle. So, thanks for watching.